Cancer research must be open, unlocked from labs, and free from silos. The Indian Cancer Genome Atlas is India's first free-to-access cancer genomics initiative, built to democratize data and accelerate discoveries.
The ICGA Foundation was set up with a desire to create a data set for cancer research in India. If you really think about it, when you talk to patients and cancer treatment in India, most of the time, our treatment is based on Western data sets. And the reason that is so is because we don't have our own data set. So the whole mission of ICGA Foundation is to create our own data set, which is made up of Indian people and Indian population, so that we can find protocols and cures for cancer patients from India.
Cancer genomics is not a solo pursuit. The ICGA unites doctors, researchers, data analysts, and funders to create something greater than any single lab or institution can achieve alone.
The ICGA vision requires multidisciplinary work, which involves people from different communities to work together. So we need the clinicians, the cancer surgeons, the oncologists, the pathologists, and various people who are part of the clinic to work very closely with researchers from the molecular dynamics, molecular modeling, various molecular diagnostics type stuff. In addition to that, computing, computer science, and data science type work. People from different groups have to work together to create the mission that we have for ICGA Foundation. So one of the challenges in India is to bring people of different kinds together so that they can work together on a common mission, so that we can address the problems that would help cancer patients across India. And the other problem, of course, in these kind of projects is the fact that these projects need a significant amount of funding. And the whole purpose of what we are trying to do with ICGA is to make the data available as open access. So we are not going to charge for the data. So somebody has to pay for the creation of the data set. This is going to need money from different sources, including philanthropy. And that is another challenge where we need to bring everyone together so that we can solve these problems which are important to us.
Cancer genomics produces vast volume of data. The future depends on how we effectively store, share, and analyze this information to drive meaningful insight.
Over the last 20-25 years, we have seen significant progress in the quality of instruments and technologies that have become available for doing genomics research. In the last few years, because storage is a big part of what happens in cancer genomics, cloud computing and storage on the cloud has become a very viable option for doing this. This allows several efficiencies to be possible, and I think with the advent of AI, I really expect AI to play a huge role in analyzing cancer data and data at large volumes. So technology has a huge role to play in a cancer genomics project like the one we are trying to do here. And thankfully, we have a lot of Indian researchers or people who work in data and computing and cloud computing. So I think this is very well suited for what we want to do from India.
From funding innovation to scaling breakthrough technologies, industry has the potential to be a powerful catalyst in advancing genomics research.
Industry has an important role to play in accelerating genomics research. We need people from all kinds of disciplines. Industries are making many of the instruments that you would need, and also a lot of the researchers in these areas are also part of the various companies in the country. So it will be important to get all of them to be along with the clinicians, the researchers, and the scientists to work together to solve some of the hard problems that we have in cancer genomics. And I think industry has a huge role to play both in the research aspects of it, building equipment and technology, and also contributing in terms of financial support that ICGA needs. So I would really like to see very strong industry participation as we go ahead on this project.